Okay, here's another example of a square foot garden companion planted garden bed that is 6 foot by 3 foot. With this garden bed, I am assuming that this is the north, south, east, and west for planting purposes. And this bed's main crop will be potatoes and peas. Now I'm going to start by placing peas on these 3 square feet. You can place 8 per square foot, and you would want to put a trellis on this back side or along the middle of these square feet and plant on either side. There we have our trellis and our peas. Now I'm going to add 6 potato plants. Potatoes can be planted 1 per square foot, and these I'm assuming are determinate potato plants, which means they're not going to need hilling. Now to help protect our potato plants, we're going to use these 3 square feet in the center here. And the first one I'm going to plant 4 dill plants here. Then I'm going to plant 1 cilantro plant and let it go to seed. There we go. And when this goes to seed, this actually becomes coriander, which you can collect later on after it dries. Now, as we learned before, catnip also helps your potato plant. So we're going to add 1 catnip plant here. It is also medicinal. Now I'm going to use these next 3 square feet here to plant onions. Onions are best planted from what are called starts that you can order online versus sets. And there we go, 4 per square foot. Now I'm going to add some calendula, which are also medicinal. They're also known as pot marigolds. The flowers produce all summer long and sometimes even into the fall. They make great skin salves. If you pull the flowers off and dry them, you can use the petals to infuse them into oils. Now we're going to add 1 other medicinal plant in here that I've not really talked about very much, and it's called feverfew. You can plant 1 per square foot, and I'll do another follow-up video on the benefits of feverfew. And there you have it, another example of a square foot garden companion planted bed. This bed was 6 foot by 3 foot, and it has about 24 pea plants in it, 6 potato plants, 12 onions, and then we also have some medicinal plants like calendula and feverfew and catnip and cilantro and coriander and dill that you can use when you're pickling your cucumbers that you're going to plant in another bed. When you let dill go to flower, it also attracts some of the parasitic wasps that'll help your garden bed by protecting it against those pests that you don't want. If you found this helpful, please drop me a comment and like and follow for more content like this and much more.